So, what the little alien dude just said there, I firmly believe is the absolute most important and first thing that anyone should learn when embarking on a new language adventure. And for me, that new language adventure is Tagalog. I don't know much, but what I do know is that hindi ako marunong mag-Tagalog, kaya pwede mo akong ibenta. But I don't really want you to sell me anything. I'm just hoping that you can teach me tons of new stuff, new words. So I'm gonna throw out a bunch of Paano Sabihins and see where this language adventure takes me. Because I'm a lot more like the robot. Tons of question marks. So, first question. Paano sabihin? Can you please say that again slower? If you could throw me back an answer. Salamat, salamat, salamat.
Paano mo sabihin? Paano mo sabihin? Paano mo sabihin? Paano mo sabihin? Paano mo sabihin?
Everybody shake your baby.